Hello guys, welcome to my first vlog. So boring kayo ko karon mo nang mangita ko og lingaw. So makauna-una ko nga mag-record og kanta. Kuwaon ang gitara kay ako ara ning gidaladala bisag asa. Dayon pangitaon ng lyrics sa kanta kay para masunata tana. Ug karon pag humani ini, ako ang i-print ang lyrics para magsugod na ta sa atuang pag-jam. Alright. Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets and cobblestone, and if the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon lights that bleeds the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, I said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grow. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silence raindrops fell, and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon gods they made, and the sign cloud of its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign says the words of the prophet are written in the subway walls, tenement halls, and whisper in the sound of silence.